For outdoor users, unpredictable weather, harsh natural environment, and signal absence pose potential dangers. Therefore, it is crucial for outdoor communication devices to detect user status and provide security protection. BP750 Digital Radio incorporates 5 alarm modes and 3 emergency alarms to guarantee user safety. Man-down mode is the alarm mode set to detect user status and launch alarms immediately when detects users might be in danger. When the man-down mode is on, the radio will automatically detect if the radio is tilting or falling and judge if users are in danger. Therefore, send emergency alarms to specific contacts or the dispatching console when man-down mode is triggered. To set to man-down mode, we should enter the main menu page, find Settings. Select Radio Setting and turn the man-down mode on. Now we have finished set to man-down mode. Have the radio tilts or falls for a while. An alarm will sound. Writing the radio while the alarm tone is ringing to terminate the alarm. Or the radio will automatically send emergency messages as it is now. Press here to turn the alarm off. And this is how man-down mode functions to secure user safety.